Good morning, beautiful besties. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is 9:50 a.m. here and I'm having a bit of a slow start to my morning, which I'm totally down for because I worked late last night to get a ton of stuff done for today because I was meant to go out and shoot some stuff for Instagram as well as a couple branded things. But unfortunately the products that I need to shoot did not get here in time. So that means I have a pretty light to-do list here and I feel like just taking this morning a little easy. Very precarious on there. So I just sort of was chilling, laying around in bed, and then I got up and started on some household stuff. Now I'm making my coffee and I'm just gonna sit and read for maybe an hour, maybe a little less, and then get started on work because I do still have stuff to do today, but it's just not that bad. So I figured why not do a bit of a slow, relaxed morning because that sounds really lovely. We got my chai coming in hot on the Molly mug, looking good. These are available on my website if you feel like drinking your coffee out of this adorable Nuggo's face. Why would you not? Speaking of Molly Cat, oh, there she is. Hello, sweet girl. You're just settling into a nice sunny spot? Hi, bestie. Good girl. Okay. Let's move this over here. I had someone ask recently on one of my vlogs why I always stir my chai with a wooden spoon, and if there's a specific reason. No, I don't know why. I just find it very satisfying stirring my chai with a wooden spoon. I don't know what it is. I really enjoy it. It's very nice to me for some reason. It's so weird. I don't know. Love it. Okay, so right now I am reading It Ends With Us. Caitlin actually gave me this. She got it in her book of the month package, but she's read it already, obviously. I don't know why I said obviously. It's obvious to me, but it's probably not obvious to you guys. Caitlin reads a ton and Colleen Hoover is her favorite and she loves this book. She talks about it a lot. So anyway, I am really enjoying this book so far. Let's see how many pages in I am. I think like 160 pages in, so I have about 200 pages to go, but it was one of those books that it's a super easy read and I was like pretty much hooked right away. It's one of the first non-thrillers that I've read in a really long time, so I don't know if it's just a thriller thing that it takes. Well, I know it's not just a thriller thing, but a lot of the time in thrillers, it takes like a little while to build up to when exciting things are gonna start happening. With this, not that it was like that exciting from the beginning, but it just hooked you in right away. You sort of got where the story was going. I am just going to relax and read for a little while here. I'm sure so many of you have read this book already. My DMs like blew up when I said I was reading this book. I feel like it's very popular and it's being turned into a movie now. So definitely let me know what you think about this book and what other Colleen Hoover I should read. I haven't gotten that into her books just because I enjoy thrillers so much. I obviously loved Verity. Verity was so good. I read another one of hers but didn't love it. Oh, Lila. Can't remember which one it was, but it was okay, not great. Just wasn't really subject matter that I was interested in. But The Neighbors. Anyway, I am really enjoying this one, so I sort of want to give a couple more of her books a spin. Crazy, but 11 o'clock on the dot and I just put down my book. I just made it to sort of a good stopping point because it's entering part 2 of the book. I totally forgot that it even said part 1 in the beginning here. Whoo, boy, that got juicy. It was so good. There is a lot going on. There is a lot going on in this book and I am losing it. Oh, I am so excited. I can't wait to just like demolish the rest of this. I'll definitely be done with this by like the weekend. Absolutely loving this. And now it is time to get to work because it is 11 o'clock and we do still have a couple things on our to-do list, even though it's not too bad today. Very exciting, guys. I just ordered the samples of my Vlogmas merch. Everything got finalized. So obviously now it's just a matter of waiting for it to arrive. It says that it will get here the week before Vlogmas begins. So hopefully I'll be able to launch it that week, assuming that everything is good to go and that it looks the way that I want it to. Oh, I am nervous though. I really hope it looks as good as it does on the mock-ups because I really like what I came up with this year, and I'm pretty sure, although don't hold me to it in case something does go wrong, that there will be a sweatshirt available in 2 different colors as well as a mug. So I'm so excited. I'm really pumped about it. But anyway, that's the deal. It's 12:30 now. It took me like an hour and a half to get through all of that. It was a lot, I must say. But I am going to work on a little bit of editing now, probably for the next half hour-ish, and then going to work on getting some lunch. Lunchtime friends, lunchtime friends. Oh boy. Okay, let's get some food. I've been all about that sandwich life lately. It just is so good. Never disappoints. The only thing I'm missing, which I love to put on my sandwiches, is bean sprouts. I totally forgot to order those. It's these ciabatta buns, I swear. They bring me to another dimension. So I'm going to make this sandwich and then I'm going to call Tara, I think. We were planning on FaceTiming today. I'm gonna give her a call. We have some stuff that we need to talk about, and then after that, I need to work on editing. I actually didn't even get started on editing like I think that I said that I was, because got distracted by emails, of course. Emails. They are never ending. I'm very excited about the Vlogmas merch though, you guys. I know we already talked about this, but I think it's gonna be good. I swear, these sandwiches always look so good. I think it's the bread. Just brings it to the next level. All right, love it. And I will just have maybe some goldfish with that. We got groceries delivered yesterday, and Connor did the grocery shopping, so he picked out some goldfish, which I have not been buying us goldfish for the past couple months because we just go through them way too quickly. It's like unhealthy. But I'm very excited to have it back, don't get me wrong. Looking so yum, and I think I'm gonna try to read a little bit while I eat. I don't know, is that a really hard task? We're gonna try it out.
All cuddles all the time, right, Molly Cat? Look at that little face. How did they get so lucky, huh? To end up with the perfect cat.
Also, I can't believe how dark it is out. How dark it is out. It's not even 5:10 p.m. yet. Very depressing. Anyway, it is 5 p.m. and I wrapped up work about 15 minutes ago. Read a quick couple more chapters of my book because I'm addicted to it, and now I'm going to start getting ready because I'm actually meeting a friend for a happy hour. I'm not going to be vlogging it, I don't believe. Just don't feel like dragging my camera out, and also just catching up with a friend, so you won't miss much anyway. There we go. I think we're gonna get a couple of tapas, so I will try to remember to get clips on my phone of the tapas, but you guys know how it goes. It's not good usually when I'm telling you that I'm vlogging on my phone. So sorry in advance for the fact that I probably won't, but hopefully I'll get a couple clips of what we get there. It's fine. Connor actually came back. I forget if I even mentioned this, but he was out all day because he had demos at work. So he was working on that and then came back and got changed, and now he went out to go play some tennis with some friends. So we were both just going to reconvene back here a little later tonight. I don't think I'll eat dinner out, so a nice chill dinner here at home. He ate pretty late, and I'm getting these little tapas, so I think it should sort of work out. But I thought maybe we could have a little chit chat while I get ready here. I believe how dark it is. It's very depressing. Anyway, yeah, I thought that I would maybe give you guys a quick little update on my business. Just because I always like to keep you guys in the loop with things, and I know I'm always getting questions about like what I do for work and stuff like that, which I've talked about a ton. You guys probably all know. A quick synopsis, just in case someone doesn't know, is I handle social media marketing for a couple different businesses, and I actually just brought on some new clients, which I'm really excited about. So that's sort of what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the first client I brought on is, how would I describe this? Basically, I work for like this, I guess I would say that I worked for the parent company of all of these different social media pages. Basically, they're sort of just like aesthetic pages that people follow, I guess, for lack of a better word. A lot of them have to do with food, which you guys know I am all about, so absolutely love that. And I actually I'm starting with them I think like a little later this week. I was meant to start with them last week, but there were a couple delays on their end, so I haven't officially begun yet, but I think this week I'll be getting started, which is really exciting. And then the other client that I picked up, I'm really excited about as well. It's actually a yoga and wellness company, but you know, it's like one person. She does yoga and wellness classes online, private sessions, as well as group classes. She is really great. She's so sweet. Her name is Madison, and I've absolutely loved working with her. That's more of a like limited engagement type of thing, because she just really didn't know where to begin with her social media. Her page literally didn't even exist when she contacted me. I set up the whole page for her. So it's more of me like teaching her a little bit about social media, different best practices, helping her come up with content ideas, stuff like that. And I think we're gonna work together for a couple of months. We'll see how it goes. But there you go. It's sort of exciting. I feel like my business is growing right now. I've been getting a lot more leads lately, which is really cool. I actually have it on my to-do list that I sort of want to redo my website for my business. If you don't know, it's called Studio 25. I just feel like it needs a little bit of a revamp. Anyway, it's very nice. Nice having 2 new streams of income as always, and really nice to get to work on a couple new and different brands than you know, I've worked on before. I've never worked on brands like either of these before, so definitely something new for me, which is just a really fun challenge. Anyway, who knows what the heck I just said for the past, you know, 15 minutes of this clip, or how much of it will even make it in, but there you have it. So my friend just messaged me that she's on her way over, so I'm going to get changed, and then we need to head out. Okay, here is the fit that we threw together. Little neutral moment, and this big old puffer, which I think is from Forever 21, but it's so comfortable. I love it, and it's a little chilly tonight, so I figured might as well pull it out. I'll probably be sweating by the time I'm done walking to this place. We're going to Manchego, like the cheese. I don't know, how do you say that? But anyway, we are going to go there. It's my first time, but I've been really wanting to try it out for a long time, so very pumped to see what the deal is. False alarm. I just checked and I don't have to leave for another like 5 minutes, so I thought really quickly we could open up this package because I want to do this today anyway. I've been waiting to open it with you guys, and I'm very excited because this is a package from Kaya, who is my yoga instructor. She runs an amazing brand and always sends me all of her goodies. I'm so spoiled. She's been teasing these online, so I cannot wait to see what they are. Oh, look at this note. I cannot wait. She's so sweet. First up, it looks like an amazing tote. Oh, look at how cute this is. A little tote bag that says health and wellness. You know this is coming to the farmer's market with me. Oh my God, I'm obsessed already. It's a quarter zip. Oh, you guys, look at this. A little quarter zip. It says health and wellness right there in the front, and look at the back. It says, baby, be kind to yourself, with all these gorgeous flowers. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. Oh, and she sent me oversized, so it would be big and comfy. I feel like this is so cute. I would literally wear this as like a big oversized dress, or obviously just hanging around the house, which is what I do 90% of the time. Obsessed. Thank you, Kaya. You are the best. You're so sweet and kind and generous, and I just absolutely love you, girl. If you're watching this, I'm gonna text you right now. So there you have it. And now I'm going to head out to meet up with my friend. Back home and having a Crunchwrap Supreme for dinner tonight. Looks so delicious. This is one of our absolute fave meals, so very excited. And then I also think that we're just gonna watch some Succession. Have a nice chill rest of the night.